Do you know, 1/3 of all food produced globally is wasted. There are 1.3 billion tons of waste produced, and at the same time, there is a total of $940 billion waste each year. Have you ever think where did all this trash go? Food waste eventually ends up in landfills. It releases harmful methane gas into the air and toxic chemicals into the soil. Now, it's time to act. Good day everyone, we are Group 2. We would like to introduce Waste to Wealth program, turning your food waste into cooking gas and fertilizers. Imagine if an entire community could benefit from their waste. A centralized anaerobic digester in rural areas can transform food waste into two powerful resources, cooking gas for energy and nutrient-rich fertilizer for farming. By working together, communities can turn today's waste into tomorrow's wealth. Here's how it works. Firstly, food waste from the community is collected and sent to the digester. Microbes break it down, creating biogas and liquid fertilizer. The biogas powers will be stored and processed into cooking gases in the rural area, while the fertilizer will be used for farming. The benefits of this approach are anaerobic digester is able to reduce the accumulation of organic waste sent to landfills. Also, it can convert methane emissions into a clean, renewable energy source that can replace fossil fuels. This approach prevents the uncontrolled release of methane from decomposing food waste to the environment. It is able to reduce greenhouse gas emission, reaching net zero carbon emission by 2050. It is also cost-effective where it helps to reduce household energy bills by using the biogas. Apart from that, the excess digestate can be sold and can be used as fertilizers. Next, it can improve community hygiene in the rural area. The main purpose of this approach is to avoid waste accumulation that can cause negative impacts on the environment. Now, let us see the successful application of this approach worldwide. In Brazil, farmers in the Ajuricaba watershed are able to manage livestock manure and agro-industrial waste. Their anaerobic digestion system has significantly reduced waste disposal costs, generated renewable energy for over 300 households, and improved water quality in the region. Let's travel to Humbayok, Peru, where anaerobic digestion turned darkness into opportunity. Far from the electric grid, this community had no access to electricity until the biosynergy site stepped in. Today, the capture of methane and generation of biogas at the biosynergy site serves as an alternative energy source. The system generates between 8.74 and 11.65 cubic meters of biogas a day, which provides 16 kilowatt of power. The installation of public lighting from the electricity generated makes it possible for local residents to engage in activities after dark and has changed the way the community socializes. In Africa, biogas is undeniably important. Rwanda's prisons use it to turn waste into cooking fuel. Rwanda, with a population of 10.2 million, has 81% of its people living in rural areas. A notable biogas initiative is the Kigali Institute of Science and Technology (KIST) project, which installs large-scale biogas plants in prisons to treat toilet waste and generate cooking biogas. The first plant became operational in 2001, and by 2011, KIST had set up biogas plants in 10 prisons. The plants reduce wood use by 50% for cooking and produce bioeffluent that can be used as fertilizer. By 2011, 441 biogas units had been installed, benefiting about 15,000 households. It's time to stop treating food waste like garbage and start treating it like gold. With a centralized anaerobic digester, rural communities can turn yesterday's leftovers into tomorrow's energy and fertilizer. Let's not wait for someone else to make the first move. It's our chance to invest in smart, sustainable solutions that work for everyone. Together, we can flip the script on waste, turning problems into possibilities and challenges into opportunities. The future is calling. Let's answer it. A cleaner, greener rural future starts right now. Thanks for watching.